Welcome back to YouTube Health Solutions. I want to share with you what I like to do with my salads. I don't put any salad dressing on them, and I'll add fruit. I have some grapes here and tomatoes. I have other fruit downstairs that I can add to my salad, but I just didn't feel like doing it. But what I like to do is eat at least 2 of these a day. What's ideal is that you eat maybe one salad with fruit and the other salad with just plain lettuce. And if you want to add salad dressing, add a vinaigrette to it. I love salad. I really love salad. If loving salad is wrong, I don't want to be right. I enjoy it a lot. So be creative with your salads. Don't just stick with salad, eggs, bacon bits, dressing. Salad, eggs, bacon bits, dressing. Don't get caught up in that cycle because it's not the best. And when you start adding fruit to your salads, if you start doing that, don't do it all the time because you can still gain some weight because the fruit is sweet. Okay? I'm guilty of that sometimes. I'll eat fruit with every salad, and I eat maybe 2 to 3 salads a day if I can. So don't eat too much fruit, but maybe eat 1 salad with fruit and then eat the rest of your salads plain, and you'll be okay. I just wanted to share that with you. If you have any questions, write them in the description box below. Like the YouTube channel, subscribe to the YouTube channel, visit my pastoring YouTube channel so I can help you with your soul and your spirit. And I'll talk to you guys again later. Thanks.